Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to BGS class. How are you? I hope you are well. So today we will start a new topic, chapter 10 and topic 2. And what is our topic? The resources of Asia. So students, please open your book and open the page number 50. First, read the book properly. After finishing your reading, I will explain the whole topic. So, what is our topic? The resources of Asia. So, at first, we have to know or we have to learn what is called resource or what is resources. The things in the environment that help us lead productive lives. This is called resources. So, what is our topic? The resources of Asia. Now, the Asia, do you know what is the Asia or what is this? Asia is the name of the continent, the largest continent of the world. This is Asia. Now, we'll discuss about the resources of Asia. So, at first, the first resource is the grain crop. Students, do you know what is called grain crop? Grain crops are mostly grass crops that are grown for their edible seeds such as corn, wheat, rice, etc. This is the example of grain crops. So, do you know what is the chief grain crops of Asia? Or what are the name of the chief grain crops of Asia? Do you know? The chief grain crops of Asia are rice, wheat, corn, coconut, spices, etc. This is the chief grain crops of Asia. Now, the largest producer. Do you know? Asia is the largest producer of the grain crops. Which grain crops? Rice and wheat in the world. Now we will talk about another resources that is called the cash crops. So first we have to learn or we have to know what is called cash crops. Agricultural crops which is sold for export to earn foreign currency. For example, jute, cotton, rubber, tea, coffee, sugarcane, etc., silk, etc. This is the example of cash crops. Now we have to know the chief cash crops of Asia. The chief cash crops of Asia are jute, cotton, rubber and tea. Now the another resources. Minerals are another resources of Asia. Asia has lots of minerals such as mineral oil, natural gas, bronze, gold, silver, etc. This is the another resources of Asia. Now, the another resources. This is called industry. We already know, yes, what is industry or what is called industry. Asia is quite developed in industry. There are many industrial plants in Japan, South Korea, China, India, Malaysia and Thailand. Now we will know or learn something about the major industries of Asia. What are the major industries of Asia? Yes. The major industries of Asia are iron, steel, cotton, paper, jute, etc. This is the name of the major industries of Asia. Now we have Asia has lots of wild animals. Asia is home to many wild animals such as tiger, elephants, deer, monkey and snakes. So these all the resources of Asia. Now I will explain it through the flowchart. Can you see the flowchart? I will explain the whole topic through the flowchart. Look. Asia. Asia is the name of the continent, the largest continent of the world, Asia. Resources. The things in the environment that help us lead productive lives. This is called resources. In Asia, there are lots of resources. The first one is the grain crop. Grain crops are mostly grass crops that are grown for their edible seeds such as rice, wheat, corn, coconut, spices, etc. Now the chief grain crops of Asia: rice, wheat, corn, coconut, spices, etc. And the Asia is the largest producer of rice and wheat in the world. Now another resources. What is this? Cash crops. What is called cash crops? Agricultural crop which is sold for export to earn foreign currency. For example, jute, cotton, rubber, tea, coffee, sugarcane, silk, etc. Now the chief cash crops of Asia. Jute, cotton, rubber and tea are the chief cash crop of Asia. Now the minerals. Asia has lots of minerals such as mineral oil, natural gas, bronze, gold, silver, etc. Now the another one or the last one is the industry. Asia is quite developed in industry. There are many industrial plants in Japan, South Korea, China, India, Malaysia and Thailand. The name of some major industries: iron, steel, cotton, paper, jute, etc. These are the name of the industries. So here we are discuss about the resources of Asia. After finishing this, I will give the lecture sheet. You just read the lecture sheet properly and practice the OSA and practice exercises. For today, Allah Hafiz. Student, take care.